Today we'll be learning how to install the Netcraft Automatic Mod Installer. The beauty of the Netcraft Automatic Mod Installer is that once it's installed, you never have to reinstall it again. It'll automatically update, you never have to worry about it. So step 1, you have to go to the Netcraft Auto Mod Installer and download the latest version of the Auto Mod Installer, which will actually install the system on your computer. Now, since it's running custom code, some virus protectors may see it as dangerous. So you might have to turn off your virus protector while it installs, but after it installs you should be free to turn it back on. And you might need to whitelist the actual program. If you have any issues, contact me, Eagle Scout, for help about your mod installation. So after your file gets downloaded, you're going to open up your downloads and extract them. Once it's extracted, you want to come in here, and also another thing you want to do is you want to take this update checker link and copy it to your desktop if it is not copied automatically. This is what you'll use to start your game every time you want to play Netcraft. Open the file and run start installation. Now Windows will probably say something like, oh, this is dangerous, blah blah blah. You just want to click more info and run anyway, and that'll initiate the installation. The installation may take some time as it downloads all the necessary files for your Netcraft Auto Mod installer. You may need to click open, and the status message will come out. This kind of explains what I am telling you, but I'll just tell you anyway, or you can read that. So now this is just gonna run. So we'll wait for this to complete, and eventually it'll ask for some user interaction. So it's gonna ask me to say yes to the following prompt, which gives it permission to run. And then it's gonna tell me exactly what to do. This is what yours will look like. You just want to follow the instructions up there, so just click exactly what it tells you to do. If you have any problems with this or have any issues, you can go here, scroll down to mod support. You can click need support and create a support ticket, and I can help you with anything that you might have issues with. So once you complete the Java installation, you just click enter. So now it's gonna install the updates for Forge. Once you have ensured the Minecraft launcher is closed, click continue. And it should bring up the installation program. I just want to make sure it says click install client, and then follow the instructions on the left. Now the installation is complete. Press enter to continue, and it'll take and continue with the installation. Next, it's going to download the mods, which this usually takes a little bit longer than the other things because it's got more data to download. The next part is the mod updates, which usually take the longest because they're a little larger than all the other files. But this one will happen automatically, so you don't even need to worry about doing anything. It'll run all by itself. So now I just wait. Once it's complete, it'll start the updating script. And now you just wait for it to run all the code. Now it'll start up and verify that all the updates have installed successfully. Whenever you want to play on the Netcraft server, you click on this update checker link, and it'll check for updates real quick, the Netcraft server. And if there are no updates found, it'll automatically launch the game. And once the game loads up, You want to ensure it is on Forge 1.20.4. Quick editor's note. When you're launching the game, you want to click Installations, then click the dots, click Edit. You only need to do this once. Click More Options, and see where it says XMS2G. If you leave it like that, it'll only use 2 gigabytes of RAM, so you want to update that to 2 less than however much RAM you have. So to figure out how much RAM you have, click Control-Shift-Escape, it'll open up Task Manager, click Performance, and then you'll see memory, something out of 22.8 or whatever. You want to take that number, subtract 2 from it, and then input there, and put that in that field right there, and that'll let your game use all of your RAM. When you're done, click save, and then continue with the installation. And you just click play, and your game will automatically load up. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install it. And just make sure whenever you want to play the game, you come here and run the update checker. Not the Minecraft launcher, you want to run the update checker. Thank you.